If you're like me and love a good tool that's easy to use, requires little to no setup, and just works without causing a headache, then you're in for a treat. Because last week I stumbled upon an amazing tool for WooCommerce, and it's called Merchant. Well, it's like a Swiss Army knife for your online shop, and it's packed with over 40 awesome modules designed to boost your sales. Now, let's dive in and see why this might be the only tool you'll ever need for your WooCommerce store.
As I mentioned, the plugin name is called Merchant, and it has two versions. It has a free version and it has a pro version. Currently the plugin has 45 different modules, and here's a comparison table of what you'll get with free or pro. So with pro you'll get all the goodies, that is pre-orders, product bundles, frequently bought together, buy this, get that, bulk discount, spending discount, goal, and free gifts. With the free version you'll get only pre-orders. So just scroll through the table and you'll see what is the difference between free and the pro version. If you would like to test out the free version, and it's available on the WordPress repository. As you see, more than 5,000 active installations at the moment, so you can test it out. If you would like to test the pro version, then there's a try live demo here. Just click on the button and you can launch a demo. Now, as for the pricing, currently there is a 30% discount campaign going on, but regular prices are $99 for one site, $199 for 10 websites, and $399 for 100 websites. There is also a lifetime package, and those are the prices for the lifetime packages. Now, when this is out of the way, let's go and install the plugin. In this video I'm gonna use the pro version so you can see what you can do with it. After the plugin installation, you'll see the Merchant menu on the left here. Go to the dashboard and you'll see all the modules that are available. There is a module name, the description, and they are collected based on the category. Boost revenue, convert more, reduce cart abandonment, build trust, for example trust badges, improve experience, real-time search, wish list, variation swatches, product video, size chart, and so on. Also there is a Google address autocomplete. And there is a protect store category, that is agree to terms checkbox and cookie banner. Now, since I want to keep this video short, I'm not gonna go through all the modules here, just the most important ones. But before I do that, I'll show you also that there is a enable modules menu. You'll see that there are 45 modules. None has been activated, but I have also another site where the merchant has been installed, and now you'll see there are 7 active modules, and those are the active modules here. If you click on the settings page, then you can enter your license key, select whether the merchant is active and visible for all customers, whether it's only visible to admins, that is the preview type, and whether it's inactive. You can add your own custom CSS or JavaScript and nothing else here. Now one more thing. Merchant will most likely work with any well-coded theme that doesn't override WooCommerce default hooks and settings. If it's not a well-coded and crappy theme, then most likely there will be some issues. But then I would suggest you to ask about it from the plugin support team. They are really responsive with their replies. In this video I'm gonna use 2 themes just to demonstrate. I'm gonna use the Bottega theme. It's a theme from the same company that created Merchant plugin. I'm gonna see whether it works out of the box with this theme. And later I'm gonna switch to another theme to test it out whether it works with other themes also. So on this site I have Bottega theme installed. This one here. Just a brief overview. If you go to the theme dashboard, you can import starter sites. There is a template builder, although it's available only for pro version. I have a Bottega free installed here. Some settings and comparison table. If you go to the customizer, then there is a header builder like this one here. Just add your elements or delete those. There are settings for every element. Basically standard stuff. Seems to be a good theme and works well with the WooCommerce. Now, as I said, this video is not about this theme. It's about a Merchant plugin. But if you would like to test it out, then search for the Bottega theme. Currently it has more than 20,000 active installations. mostly 5-star reviews, so seems to be a good team. Okay, back to the merchant, and let's see. I have a pre-orders module here. You can activate or deactivate it, customize the text for the buttons, and this here is a preview. Maybe you don't know what is a pre-order button, then this is a preview. You can customize the buttons here, and done. And just to confirm, this pre-orders module allows visitors to pre-order products that are either out of stock or not yet released. Let's see how does it work on a live site. So I have a product here. I'm going to open up the inventory. I'm going to activate track stock quantity for this product. Quantity is at least 1. Next one, I'm going to set this product as pre-order. I'm going to select the pre-order shipping date, for example, this one here. Update it, view the product, and there you go. There is a pre-order now button. And if I click on it, it will be added to my cart and I can purchase it. Back to the merchant dashboard. Let's take a look at product bundles. This one here. When it's enabled, I can create all sorts of product bundles. Here's a preview. Now I can select whether to display bundle product thumbnails, descriptions, quantities, display the prices of bundled products based on price per unit or regular price. Now next one is where to display the bundled products before add to cart. Here are some cart settings for you, whether to hide the bundled products in cart or mini cart. And now if you would like to create bundled products, then we need to go to the products themselves. That is, let's go to the products, create the product, choose a category, add image. And now for the product data, we select product type as a product bundle. Now I'm going to search for products. For example, this one here. Next one will be this one. And there's another one. For example, this product here. This is a combined price for all those 3 products, but let's give it a discount for the bundle, for example 15% discount or fixed amount. I like percentages more. I can select whether the shipping fee is applied to the whole bundle or each bundle product. I'm gonna select each bundle product here. I can also enable the stock management at the bundle level, add above text or below text. For example, this one is for above and this one is for below. Now when everything is done, I'm gonna publish the product, view it, and there you go. There's a product bundle here. This is above text and this is below text here. Awesome. Before I proceed with the video, don't forget to smash that like button down below here. It means a lot to me and it also helps my channel. So I would appreciate your help. Back to the merchant dashboard, and let's see what else do we have here. We have a frequently bought together. First, let's enable it. One more thing, as you see, there is a tutorial link near the button. If you click on it, it will redirect you to the documentation page and you can read and see what you can do with the module. Now, offer name. Let's create new campaign. You can choose a trigger, whether it's specific product, all products, or specific categories. I'm gonna select specific product, for example, this product here. And I can select the products that will be included in the bundle. For example, this one here, this one, and let's add also this one here. I can choose whether to display the offer on all products. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Whether to create a discount. Let's add a 10% discount. Placement on product page after product summary, after product tabs, or at the bottom. I'm gonna leave it as this. Here are the text I can change and some colors. Let's save it. And now if I open up the product, you'll see those are the frequently bought together products here. I can add all the bundle to the cart. Works like a charm. Now, this is the first campaign here. I can create a new bundle. Just click here, fill the fields, close it down. You can reorder them and you can delete those here. If you would like to display it as a shortcode, then you can activate the shortcode here, grab the shortcode and add it to the page or post. Now, this here is a Botiga theme, works really well. Now let's test how does it work with other themes. For example, I'm gonna test it with a Blocksheet theme. Back to the merchant dashboard, and let's take a look at another module, that is buy this and get that. I'm gonna open it up and let's create a campaign. First, let's enable it. Here you'll see the preview, offer name, trigger specific products, basically the same process as before. Let's add it for the specific products. Customer buys this product, wall downloadable lamp. If the quantity is at least 2, then customer gets additional product for free. Now I can change the quantity of the discount, that is, if I would like to offer it for free, then I'm gonna add 100% discount. These are the text here, colors, font sizes and so on. Let's save it. Let's view the product. And as you see, it says, if you buy 2 wall downloadable lamps, then you'll get this product 100% off. Let's test it out. I'm gonna add 2 to the cart. I can add this one to the cart. And you'll see this one here is for free. Awesome.
These are just a few of the cool tools you can use with Merchant. Luckily, there's more. There are some other features I would like to show you. That is, let's dive in and see what else we can do with this amazing tool.
Now back to the dashboard. Let's see what else do we have here. We have a store-wide sale, bulk discounts, waitlist. Which one should we take a closer look? Let's take a look at the store-wide sale. Once again, trigger specific product. I'm gonna add a campaign for specific categories. For example, accessories category will get 20% discount. I can choose user roles, selected users, and I can exclude the products. I can also set the availability dates, specific dates from today until end of the month. Ciao. Let's save it. It says that I need to enable the module, so let's do that. Now I'm gonna go to the accessories category, and you'll see that those 2 are here. Variable products, simple products are displayed with a 20% discount, so it means that it works. Now back to the dashboard and see what else do we have here. Bulk discounts, let's take a look at this one. The same process as before. I'm not gonna repeat it, so I'm just gonna show you what you can do here. Select the product. If the quantity is, for example, 5 or more, then you can set a fixed discount or percentage discount, for example 20%, and this is information you'll see on the product page. Once again, you can set the user conditions, placement on the product page, texts, fonts and colors. I'm not gonna go through all the modules. I'm gonna just show you some other important ones. For example, waitlist. Let's enable it. Choose whether to display on back orders. I'm gonna activate it. Change the text if needed. Send emails automatically if needed, and nothing else here. Let's save it. I'm gonna set this stock status out of stock, view the product, and you'll see there is a waitlist here. Let's add the email, click on notify me button. It says you are now subscribed to our stock notification list. Awesome. There is a click here to preview the stock update. Email looks like. There is also an unsubscribe button here. Great. Let's see other ones.
Next is convert more category. You can add a buy now button on your site. This one here. Change the text, color and so on as usual. You can select whether to display it on product archive or single product pages, whether to display on upsell and related products, and you can choose a location. Next one, you can create custom product labels here. For example, spring special, display rules, pages to display, position, top left, top right, shape radius, letter case. You can also add animated add to cart. As you see from the preview, you can choose the animation type and whether to activate the animation on mouse over or on page load. Next one, quick view, pretty standard. You can choose the position, whether it's displayed as overlay, after add to cart, before add to cart. I like the overlay view the most. Also button type icon or icon and text or just text. You can set the modal width, modal height and some other standard settings. You can change add to cart text. You can add sticky add to cart. That is, it will be positioned on the bottom of your site. If you scroll, it's always there. Or you can place it on the top. There is a countdown timer. What you can do with it is, if you enable it, then select whether it's evergreen or it's displayed only for sale price dates. The preview is here. You can set the start time and the end time, and you have 7 different layouts for it. I like this one the most. Now if you go to the site, then there is your sale countdown timer here. Next one is stock scarcity. You can display it on a product page or archive pages, and it looks like this one here. Hurry, only 20 units left in stock. You can choose a position and change the text if needed. Next one is checkouts. That is, you can choose whether it's a Shopify style, multi-step checkout, one-step checkout, or regular multi-step checkout. Once again, take a look on the right. You'll see the preview here. You can also activate the sticky totals box for the Shopify multi-step layout. Now there is also a recently viewed products section, which displays the products you have recently viewed. Pretty self-explanatory. Next category we have here is reduce cart abandonment. That is cart count favicon. Take a look at the top of my site. You'll see this is a favicon here. I can change the color, for example this one. Let's save it, let's refresh it, and you'll see it's here. Also, as you see, you left something in the cart written as a tab title. If I switch tabs, if I come back here, it's product title, but here it's something else. It comes from the inactive tab message module. You can activate it, change the text here. Next one, floating mini cart. This one, customize it as you like. There is also a cart reserve timer. That is, an item in your cart is in high demand. They say it for 10 minutes. You can customize it here. Set the countdown duration in minutes and change the text and icons. Next one is site cart. This one here. And now there is a build trust category. You can add trust badges. This one here, just select the badges, that is, upload your own logos or icons or whatever it is. Select the alignment, font size, text color, max width for images, and done. This is here your trust badge section. Similar to the previous is a payment logos. You can upload your own logos and display those on your single product pages. You can activate advanced reviews. This one, customize it as you like. Carousel title, review options, and so on. Next one is reasons to buy list. You can add the list here, add your own text as shown on the preview here, or delete the ones you don't like. Whether you can change the icon, item spacing, and some styling options here. Next one is quick social links, as shown here down below, or on the left or on the right. Display conditions, entire site or single posts or categories, and so on. Here you can add the links or delete those. Now, some other things. Product brand images can be displayed. You can improve the user experience with a real-time search. That is, you can add live search that displays product name, product images, and prices. You can open the external links in new browser tab. You can add scroll to top button. You can add code snippets to your site. You can add wish list and variation swatches to your site. What are the variation swatches? The ones you see here. Instead of regular select drop down, you can display colors, images, buttons, or if needed, the drop downs. There is also a Google address autocomplete option, but for it you need a Google API key. If you enter it here, then if someone starts typing the address, then it will autocomplete and fill the checkout fields. You can add size charts on your site, add product videos to the archive pages or product galleries, same with the product audio. You can create the login pop-ups, which allow your users to log in without navigating to a new page. And you can create product navigation links. What are those? Those are the links here, product navigation links. And last ones from the Protect Store category, it's agreed to terms checkbox, this one here, and a cookie banner, this one here. This basically covers all the 45 modules I wanted to display you today. As I said earlier, it's an awesome plugin, well maintained with a good support. It's like an all-in-one Swiss knife tool for the WooCommerce. Now before you go, there is a video I made a while ago. In it I'm gonna show you 5 awesome free WordPress plugins you may regret not knowing before. So be sure to take a look at this video also. In the meantime, take care.